How do? I forgot what I'm doing here. A split charger. Split charge relay. It's the one that you don't have to mess around going to the alternator or anything like that. You just battery to battery, I think they're called. Right, that it will be here either tomorrow or, well, whenever. So what I'm going to do today is try and sort out something regarding my battery compartment. It's like I said, tidying this lot up. And what I'm thinking of doing is, well, I am going to do anyway, I'm going to get one of those, I forgot what they're called now, but they're like a square thing with a lot of fuses in. And what you can do with them, rather than connecting to your battery, you actually connect to this particular item. Is it called a fuse bank? I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, and do it that way, because I can't do a mess. I want tidiness. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's see how we go on. Alright, what I've done. Oh God. Right, I've just basically took all the wires off. You know, now that's the reason why, the importance of labelling each wire. Whatever appliance it's going to, tape them together. You just basically, you know where they're going. The system that I'm going to do, it won't call for that, but I'm still going to do it as a backup. Right, what I've done, I've took everything off, including the parallels. The only one I've got to do is this earth, and then take the batteries out. This frame here that I made to stop the batteries sliding about, I'll move that back there. Yeah, so right, I've moved the batteries. Gives me a decent area here to do what I'm going to do, which will become apparent. Oh, I had a strap, a green strap, you know, the ones that I use for the chair, and for the life in me I cannot find it. I've looked in every cupboard, every tub in house, I've looked everywhere. I'm looking again, why I don't know, but I am. To see more. Obviously it's not around. I must have used it. Right, so what I'm going to have to do is sacrifice a ratchet strap. It obviously needs something to strap them down. So right, we are going to get on with that. Somewhat I hate destroying things, especially something like that. Just for that, there's got to be some better way. I just can't bring myself to destroy a strap just to hold a bloody battery down. Yeah, I don't know. But I suppose I'm going to have to, aren't I hate it. Hate it. Right, what I ended up doing was just prising it open a little bit like that. And then they just come off. Like with this one, it's looped, which is a good thing. The other one isn't. It is, but the wood won't go through. What I'm going to do is hurt my knee. Right, what I'm going to do is basically the strap is going to lay on here and then go over with a piece of wood, and the strap will come up this side. Drill through the strap as well, and yeah, then over onto battery. Oh, as you can see, it's gone all the way through. I were going to wrap it round, but it ended up where it was bored with this. Anyway, look at that. Good, been that strong. That'll be okay. Right. Regarding this side, like I say, there's a big loop. So I'll be able to just loop it on. Right, I shall do that. At least now the batteries are secure, they're not going to slide anywhere because of the frame, and they're not going anywhere. That's loose there, it's just what's left on. I was going to cut it off, but I thought, you never know, I might need a ratchet strap as a matter of urgency. So all I have to do is unscrew that button and it'll come off. I can use. Right, now to sort out this, the reason why I'm doing this. Rather than having a load of lives coming from obviously your live terminal and a load of earths coming from your earth terminal, there's some fuse boxes that you can get, different blade fuses, standard blade fuses, and you connect the earth to one side and the live to the other, and then you've got 10 points, if you want to call it that. So all it is then is you just connect to that rather than fucking about with, sorry, yeah, rather than fucking about with battery. So rather than messing with the battery, you just connect to them. My strap's plenty long enough in it, this, so that's okay. I can feed it there and then up. Just tidiness. Right, I'm gonna have to go and get one of those fuse box things.